episode.
Yeah, but I regret that we were offbeat on that song because I feel like the song would actually be more iconic if it had been more
if
upbeat.
we nailed it. Yeah.
They're not responding to the pageantry. The whole second verse is completely ridiculous. The second verse is necessary to clarify.